Hi, I'm Dan Boden, and today we're going to talk about one of our favorite under-the-radar planning tools, and that's paying into someone else's pension. Here we're thinking spouses, kids, grandkids. These are the reasons why it's a good idea. You get two quick wins. First, they get government tax relief, which supercharges their pension contribution. As an example, if you put £1,000 into a pension, an extra £250 gets added on top of that, so £1,250 gets invested. So it's that government top-up that really boosts and bolsters their retirement savings. Second, you shift money outside of your estate, sometimes IHT-free, and you're ring-fencing it for somebody who you want to benefit in the future. And this is some money, remember, that can't just be blown on a car or something. Say you're a high earner and you've already maxed out your annual pension contribution allowance. The next contribution you could put into your spouse's pension. They get the tax relief. Then when the money is withdrawn from each of your pensions, the withdrawals are split across two people's allowances, and that can save thousands in tax in the future. Paying into adult children's pension might feel a bit dull, but here's the magic. First of all, time. If they're younger, these contributions are going to have up to decades to grow. The compounding effects on that's what makes people rich in the longer term. Second, higher rate tax relief. So if the person who's receiving the contributions into their pension is a higher rate or an additional rate taxpayer, they might be able to reclaim some extra tax relief via self-assessment. Thirdly, estate planning. If the gifts into pensions are small and regular, they can be classed as gifts from normal expenditure. Here, there'd be no 7-year clock to worry about. Quick logistics checklist before you make any contribution. 1, you need to make sure the receiving pension scheme accepts contributions from third parties, not just the pension holder. Most modern investment platforms will allow this. Second, keep a simple gifts register. This is sensible inheritance tax planning, so you're thinking the amounts, the dates, and the recipients. Third, check the recipient's annual pension contribution allowance and earnings before making any contributions. You don't want to get caught out with any nasty tax surprises. Hope this is helpful. Any questions, visit our website and get in touch. If you like this content, subscribe to our channel. Take care.